Welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to create motion blur effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. Here is a normal video and I will create a text. Then increase the scale and fix the alignment. Then we will go to Effect and search VR Blur. Then leave the effect, the text layer. If we start the video, we will see that the effect has been created. We can make it rotate if we want. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy it, please subscribe and like and comment if you have any question. See you again next time. Have a nice day.